corridors, through our homes, and into the air we breathe. This may seem normal.
But what if normal can be improved?
But what if children could help solve this problem? Living in Qatar means living in a desert environment.
Dust is a part of our everyday life.
But instead of ignoring it, we became curious. We asked questions like scientists do. How does dust affect our breathing? How does it affect our health? And how can we reduce dust in simple, smart ways? Before creating new inventions, we first look at nature. Nature often solves problems before humans do.
So we explored natural goods.
We cast coconut husk and wet cat curtains. When water evaporates from these materials, it cools the surrounding air naturally.
And this taught us an important lesson.
Nature already has solutions. And we ask another question. Can plants help make the air cleaner?
To investigate, we used an indoor air quality meter.
We measured the air thirst before adding plants. We checked dust particles and carbon dioxide levels. Then we added indoor plants and tested again.
Our readings improved.
The plants made the air cleaner. We didn't just believe it. We proved it with data.
But observing nature sounded difficult.
We wanted to innovate, so we designed our own air purifier. We used a fan, cardboard structure,
And interiors made from mass materials and fluid. The fan pushed the steamer inside.
the filter trapped dust particles.
We tested our design many times.
We improved, we ignored, we changed what didn't work.
This is real innovation!
Open thinkers research how the world fights to air pollution.
Yeah, did you know in Qatar, classrooms use advanced air purifiers?
Yeah, did you know that they remove tiny harmful particles?
In China, giant air cleaning towers help entire cities.
In the United States, many people use HEPA filtration systems. Did you know that in Europe, green buildings combine plants and design clean energy?
We learned from the world to improve our own ideas. Project challenges. Not every has worked the first time.
But some ideas failed. But failure helped us learn.
We reflected,
We redesigned and we improved.
but
we learned through teamwork. Our project directly connects to Qatar's future.
dust and air quality are real environmental challenges here. As Qatar grows,
Cleaner, healthy environments become more important.
our work supports Qatar National Vision 2030 because future leaders help us solve national challenges.
At the next generation school, we learn to think independently.
We use technology creatively.
We solve real world problems. We grow into leaders. We solve problems and choose not to ignore it.
We explore nature
We investigated science. We found solutions.
and we improve through team.
We learn just to clean air in Qatar.
have a body and at the end